How to clean a wet mattress when your child wets the bed. Welcome back to our channel where we provide you with useful tips and tricks for maintaining your home. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to clean a wet mattress when your child wets the bed. It's a common problem that many parents face, and it can be frustrating to deal with. But don't worry, we have a few methods that can help. The first step in cleaning a wet mattress is to remove all the bedding and let the mattress air out. This will help dry the mattress and prevent any further damage. Next, use a mixture of vinegar and water to clean the affected area. Simply spray the solution onto the stain and let it sit for a few minutes before blotting it with a clean cloth. For tougher stains, you can use a mixture of baking soda and water instead. If the mattress is still wet, you can use a wet-dry vacuum to remove as much moisture as possible. Once the majority of the moisture has been removed, place a fan near the mattress to help dry it out completely. If the odor persists, you can use a mixture of hydrogen peroxide and water to neutralize the smell. Simply spray the solution onto the affected area and let it sit for a few minutes before blotting it with a clean cloth. Finally, to prevent future accidents, consider using a waterproof mattress protector. These are easy to clean and will protect your mattress from any further damage. Conclusion: cleaning a wet mattress can be a frustrating task, but with the right methods, you can get your mattress looking and smelling clean again. Remember to remove all bedding, air out the mattress. Use a vinegar and water mixture or baking soda and water mixture to clean the affected area. Use a wet-dry vacuum to remove moisture. And use a fan to help dry it out completely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks for maintaining your home.